Welcome to the Paper Trail Academy. My name's Ellie, and in this video I'm going to guide you through the A1 vehicle inspection process. You can see what inspections you have due by clicking on your filters. Let's click on Inspection Due Night Shift. Because I'm in Record View, I can see which records are due an inspection. If I was to click on Folders, it shows me the folders that they're in. And you can see that it's the station name A1 Vehicle Checks. So let's complete an inspection. I can either click on the white box and then click Add One Inspection, or go into the record itself and then click Plus Inspection. The first thing you'll need to do is select the current shift you're working on, and then go down the checklist, ticking off all the checks once you've completed them. If you need more information for each check, click on the blue information icon. If you need to add a comment under each section, click on the pencil. You can type your comment in the box here, add any files or photos. Once you're happy, click Save. Say if you completed all these checks at the same time and you're happy, click Select All. Continue down the checklist, ticking off the checks once you're happy. If you notice something isn't right in your inspection, say the windshield has a small crack in it, you can add this to the inspection by clicking on the pencil mark, typing in your comment, and adding your photo. Because you've made a comment under this check, you may need to leave this unticked. This will give you an amber warning just to say that there's a problem in this area. Once you're happy, click Save. When selecting the state, this may need to be altered because, as you can see, the mechanical checks haven't been completed. Here's the options that you can choose from. For example, this scenario, it may be monitor safe to use. You can add an overall comment, add any files or photos, but once you're happy, click Save. Now I'm going to show you the tyre check inspection process. You can get to your records by either going through your folder structure and clicking on the folders, or from your dashboard you can click View All Folders and Records. Here you can see the station code and then A1, and in this folder you've got a subfolder called A1 Vehicle Checks. Now let's complete the A1 Tyre Checks inspection. You can get to this inspection by clicking on the white box and then Add One Inspection, or you can get to the inspection by going through the record itself and then clicking on Plus Inspection. So first you'll need to select the current shift you're working on, and then go through checking all the tyres on the vehicle. Select a general condition, you either have OK or not OK. You can type the tyre pressure in, and then type the tyre depth in, and then go through every tyre on the vehicle. If for whatever reason a tyre on the vehicle isn't okay, select the general condition and then click the pencil, and this is where you can add a comment. I can add a photo by clicking Add File. And then once you've added your photo, click Save. If you need to add any of the comments that you've made, click back on the pencil mark and then delete. And click the X to remove the photo. Say now you're happy with the check, change this to OK, and then save. Add the tyre pressure and the tyre depth. Select your overall state for this inspection. You can add any overall comments, but once you're happy, click Save. Thanks for watching and see you soon.